So a client reached out to me. One of the things you're going to learn on the end with design is called social media optimization. After optimizing my profile across social media, a client reached out to me from LinkedIn. This is not me reaching out to them. They reached out to me from LinkedIn. I mean, they didn't reach out to me. We got on a discovery call, and then I listened to the clients and assessed what they wanted. And after we are done, closed a 175k deal, which I delivered on that design in less than 2 weeks. So yeah, that could be your reality too, if you know how to position yourself. Because most designers, when you check out their social media, they have not positioned themselves, they have not branded themselves, there are no links, there are no, your social media profile is not optimized, it's not ready, it's not positioned in such a way that when the clients want this particular design, they can just easily reach out to you with a click. These are the things that I'm going to help you demystify and show you the easy and simple way to do that, so that when your clients do need you, when they search for you, they're going to see you and it's going to be easy for them to reach you. Posting "please patronize me" on WhatsApp is not going to help you. It's not going to help you because the people seeing that stuff is you, your family and friends. Your family and friends can patronize you, so you have to be on platforms where the people that need your skill are actively present. You're going to be learning that in the course too, how to define your ideal client and determine where your ideal client hangs out, so you can go to and reach out to them and get them on board. All these things you'll be learning in End with Design. Want to close that ticket deals? Join in and be glad that you did. Thank you.